The Energy Lab was created in 2011, and I never even, thought I was going to ever do anything like this. Looking back in history, I've done a lot of journaling, and in 2006, I found a journal entry, and it was dated that I did want to create a community place, and my purpose was to make fitness and wellness available to more people. And I pictured like a neighborhood, a community, people coming together to really just grow intellectually and physically and to strengthen themselves from the inside out. So in 2011, a friend of mine, she called me and she's like, you've got to go do something with what you're doing, because I was training in my garage and teaching classes at gyms all over the county. She called me though and she's like, you need to go do something more with this that you've got going on. So she took me for a drive. She found the sign that said for lease. She called the landlord. She set up the appointment. That was not even an aha moment, that was more just sort of denial, like what's going on right now. It became some really exciting aha moments because I realized I was sort of hiding what I had to offer to the world, and so it was slowly revealed to me that like, wow, people need this. What makes me come back every morning is the people. Walking in the door, it's just, it's the connections, it's the relationships. I mean, I think we have one of the most authentic experiences that there can ever be, where it's face to face. So we're not texting when we're here, we are not emailing each other when we're here, we are like talking and looking into each other's eyes. We're experiencing like the blood move and the sweat pump. In a group atmosphere, it's camaraderie, it's energy exchanged. So I'm giving energy and I'm receiving their energy, and they are receiving my energy and giving me their energy. So the relationship, it's a nice like symbiotic relationship. It's not about me, it's not about each individual coach, it's about that person walking in the door. And so we have very few mirrors here because we're not looking in the mirrors, we're not like showing off anything, we're just like really, how are you feeling? Our team is unique because we're driven by passion. So this is not a job for most people who are here. This is a purpose. This is them giving back in some way. And once you discover that that's what life is all about, then everything else falls into place. My goal is to keep them moving forward, upward, happy, healthy, because life doesn't get any easier. So to give them the tools and the means to have the confidence and still keep their head right, because life can easily beat us down, to know they can do anything they set themselves out to do.